Islamic finance advisory and technical assistance, expanding into new frontiers. At the Islamic Development Bank, we're always working to foster innovative and sustainable solutions to the world's development challenges. As our member countries work to meet their UN Sustainable Development Goals by 2030, there is an opportunity for the Islamic Development Bank to help fill a funding gap and open up new, untapped sources of funding. We're doing this by helping to establish robust Islamic finance frameworks in countries where they're lacking and strengthening those frameworks in countries where they already exist. Our Islamic Finance Advisory and Technical Assistance Division, IFATA, is the focal point for this activity. Modern Islamic finance emerged in the 1970s and 80s and is now one of the fastest growing sectors in the global finance industry. Islamic finance holds true to key principles that comply with Islamic law, such as being interest-free, having real underlying assets, avoiding excessive uncertainty and speculation, while reinforcing fair sharing of risks and returns or losses between contracting parties. Embedded within its structure are key values, such as inclusion, fairness, societal empowerment, accountability, and sustainability. With strong Islamic financial sectors and regulatory frameworks in place, member countries are more attractive to investors from both within the Muslim world and outside it. The resulting activity can unlock the economic potential of a country. For example, access to Islamic microfinance and insurance can help people invest in their own livelihoods and participate in lucrative value chains, breaking the cycle of poverty. The IFATA's approach has three main pillars. We offer technical assistance, giving member countries the advice and support they need to establish regulatory frameworks and build an Islamic financial sector. Our capacity building and awareness raising activity, including workshops and conferences, promotes the importance and benefits of Islamic finance. Lastly, we help establish institutions, the standard-setting bodies needed to formalize the sector and raise its global profile. As we look ahead to the challenges of tomorrow, Islamic financial services will have an increasingly important role to play in driving investment and building resilient economies. Collectively, since 2013, ISDB has approved over $14 million in more than 120 technical assistance, advisory and capacity building projects and programs for the development of the Islamic financial services industry in both member and non-member countries. This is just one of the ways the Islamic Development Bank is empowering people and communities for a sustainable future. Contact IFATA Division to explore how we can support your Islamic finance industry's development.